In this tutorial video we will show you how to recover or reset your password using registered email in NPSC portal. Navigate to login page. Click on Forgot Password. Select the first option. Click on Reset Password with Email. Enter your registered email. Enter the captcha code. Click on Send Password Reset link. Check your email inbox for password reset. In case if the password reset link is not in the inbox, then do check your spam or junk box. Click on Reset Password. Alternatively, you can use the given link in the email also to reset your password. Enter your new password. Re-enter your password and enter the captcha code. Finally, click Reset Password to recover your password. Once the password is reset, it will redirect you to login page. That is all for this tutorial video. Thank you.